Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, we have yet another guest on our stage, just to add another dimension to this multifaceted collage of opinions about wine we're expressing here today. And my guest is Josep from Pinyolet Vinyaters from Tarragona. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. From Tarragona, south Tarragona. There we call Terres de l'Ebre, the land of the Ebro River.
And as well as the others, I have prepared the same questions we ask everybody today, because to see how the answers differ to the same questions between the wine makers, to show that there is no such thing as one unified world of natural wine, that we all have our different opinions. And the first question is personal, and it's quite wide. You can interpret it and answer the way you like. What are you looking for in wine? When you open a wine, when you choose wine, when you drink wine, what is the kind of emotion or the thing you are looking for in this wine?
Okay, it's a very interesting question, thank you. And the basis, it's about having joy, having fun, and most of all, sharing it. And having wine with company and have the chance to share it and enjoy it with more people. And I just bring my tiny porron, which is a good example of how that works, because the porron is the typical Catalan way to drink wine, and it's something that you let in the table, and then anyone can drink it directly.
So it's not for smoking wine?
No, it's not for smoking. Maybe you can smoke, but no, not really. So it's just for drinking. It's a very interesting tool because it's ecological. You don't need glasses. It's COVID-free because you are not touching it with your mouth. It not needs to be clean because you only need to refill it and let it in the fridge. So that's the interesting point. And if you want, I can show you.
Yes, please show us how it works. Guys, we're going to be smoking wine for... No, of course, we're not smoking.
Smoking porron wine, so this is the way.
Yeah.
So there are several techniques, but the most important is just to keep drinking while you are pouring the wine into your mouth.
I could get used to it. Woo!
Yeah, thank you. They say it's a check brass, but I will show you how it works with different people. So, Tuets, can you come and make the demonstration? Come here,
Come
please.
on, the more the merrier.
So, Albert also is an expert about drinking wine in porron. You can see how he raises the arm at the top. Yeah! This is the way, this is the way. That's a tiny porron, so...
Great, thank you.
That's another... we can ask Jordi, you can come, Jordi, please, and show the people how it works the porron. Go for it, yeah.
I love it when it goes unexpected.
So he's a bit more polite. He's trying to protect his chin. But yeah, he got it.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Also, who wants? Francisco from Frisac will come and show how the porron works.
Yes, of course.
This is the way about sharing and drinking wine. This is the point. So starting from closer, higher, higher, higher. He will finish the porron, for sure. Finish it, finish it. Hey, oh, la borraineta, la borraineta. Oh, la. We used to sing songs while...
Guys, we have much to learn from you.
So we need to refill it.
I love it. Oh, you're not finished. What was I thinking?
Well, to be honest, the wine that we had here before was the blend of the fair, because as Catalan winemakers, I love to bring porrons at every wine fair that I go, and I love to make the blend of the fair. So we had wine for different regions, different producers, and then the producers that I offer the porron, they decide which wine pairs well, and we make like kind of a dynamic blend, to say something. So, Nacho, come here and show how it works. Please, do it, Nacho.
Come on.
It's not Catalan, but it's also Galaico-Portuguese.
There are stairs over there.
Yeah. There are stairs there.
You're not playing by
Nacho.
Obviously, you're not playing by the rules.
Show the Western way. Oh, la, you got it, yeah. Technically good. Perfect. The good point about that, do you want to try?
Okay, someone who's not Spanish wants to try it.
Do you anyone
Guys,
want
it's
to
on the
try
chance.
porron? Come.
Yeah, come on.
You have
Yeah,
a,
come
okay,
on.
Go there,
Yeah.
come.
Fuck the talking. We've done already talking right now. Let's
Yeah,
have some
we can
show
refill it
drinking.
as ever.
Thanks. It's great fun.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay.
What's your name?
Hi.
Olivia is here.
Olivia,
and
hi.
not-
It's ready to drink porron, so you should start closer to your mouth and then raise the tool. So, yeah, raise it. Hi, hi. Oh, la borraineta, la borraineta. Very good.
Perfect.
You get it. Very fresh. So,
It's
anyone
totally
else?
hygienic. It's COVID-proof.
It's COVID free.
Who else?
We can refill it as
Come on.
So, that's another thing. Just keeping eye contact. Hi, what's your name?
Michael.
Michael will show
Come
us
on.
how it's
Show
working.
us what you can.
Yeah, get it. Oh, closer, higher.
Woo!
You get it. Yeah.
You got
But
it.
don't touch it with that mouth because we will get COVID.
Yeah.
So,
Now we're all gonna
anyone
have
else?
COVID.
Don't want to wait by yourself? Just try it. Yeah.
No, because no.
You can.
Chicken.
Well, anyone
And
else?
chicken.
Are you ready?
Come on.
There are more tricks. I'm gonna refill it because it works better when it's filled.
Yeah. Let's see what's gonna Maciek do with another conversation here on the stage.
Okay, mate. What's your name?
Gio.
Gio. Welcome here. Go for it. You can show your tricks on the porron. Oh, go for it. Raise your arm. Not the other.
Great.
That's cool. This is a very interesting way to drinking wine because you get double oxidation. I mean, double aeration. You have the wine here like a decanter, and while the wine touches your tongue within the air, you have that kind of explosion of flavor and freshness and everything else.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the point of wine.
Done wrong, you feel like you're being waterboarded, yes, but done well, it's decanting and being
Double
drink at the
decanting.
same time. So you can't go wrong with this one, or maybe you can.
There are other tricks like, you want to have it? Go for it. What's your name?
Opa.
¿Qué tal? ¿Bien?
Muy bien. Dale. Oh, dale. Hey, he knows how it works.
Great.
Very good, mate. Thank you very much. So you can also do a third decantation, a third aeration within your face. So there's another trick while drinking, putting the wine through your face. Something like that. So this is triple aeration, so it gets better.
Yeah.
And also you can have the saltiness of your skin.
Yeah, you can feel your skin.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
don't
That's the
forget
point.
that professional sommeliers always also judge the wine by the eye.
That's the point.
And this is the best. You can go through the eye to the mouth, so you can feel it with your eye and then give a professional sommelier opinion.
I'm going to refill it again because this is a tiny one. To be honest, we used to have bigger ones from 1 liter to 10. But this is for traveling. Okay, this is the third refill. We are going well. So
Okay, do we have some more volunteer to join us on the stage and try this original way of? Of course we have.
of course,
course
go
we
for
have.
it, mate.
Woo!
What's your name?
Philip, nice to meet you.
Are you ready? Go for it. Higher. Raise your arm.
Imagine it's the bottle of Maggi.
Okay, you got it. There are many men that are doing that. There's any lady that wants to show us how it works.
We're all about equality on Confetti.
That's the
We
point.
need more people identifying as a women to
Any
try.
advised lady that wants to try it?
Come on, we
Not
need
really?
last one. Come on, join
Yeah,
us.
come here.
Yeah.
Opa. Slow. Go for it.
Opa.
What's your name?
Paulina.
Hi, Paulina. You ready? Start. No, you're so ready.
You're
Start
never ready
closer.
for this sort of things.
Start closer and then raise your hand. Raise your hand, raise your hand. Keep drinking. It's constant deglutition. So you should keep drinking. Oh, you get it, eh? You get it. Congratulations,
You
Paulina.
perfected
You did
this.
it well.
Yeah.
Very well. Like it? Thank you. Well, this is the questionnaire about...
Yeah, that was our
porron.
questionnaire. Thank you very much, Joseph.
That's that. No, I prepared the answer, so if you want to...
You prepared the answers.
Up to you, if you want.
Let me check if we have a bit more time. But time, I believe sometimes drinking is more important than talking. So the future of wine is here, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It was pure pleasure. Thank you for this show.
Easy.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Well, Maciek, I don't know how you're going to cope with that. Hope you and your next guest have something similar prepared.